Have you ever found yourself wondering, should I use RSI or Bollinger Bands to catch better trades? Well, you're not alone. Both indicators are incredibly popular, but they serve different purposes and work in different ways. In this video, we'll break down how each one works, compare their strengths and weaknesses, and show you real chart examples that reveal how they perform under different market conditions. Stick around till the end, because we'll show you when RSI outperforms Bollinger Bands and when the opposite is true. Let's dive in. Quick overview of indicators. RSI. The RSI measures momentum, how fast and strong the price is moving. It ranges from 0 to 100. Above 70 means overbought. Below 30 means oversold. It's great for spotting potential reversals, especially in sideways markets. Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are volatility-based indicators. They consist of a moving average in the middle, an upper and lower band, placed 2 standard deviations away. When the price touches the upper band, it might be overbought. When it hits the lower band, it might be oversold, but context matters. They help identify volatility, breakouts, and price extremes. Key differences: RSI versus Bollinger Bands. Let's break down the key contrasts, then we'll see them in action on real charts. Indicator type. RSI is a momentum oscillator. Bollinger Bands are volatility-based envelope bands. Market condition. RSI works well in ranging conditions. Bollinger Bands adapt better to volatility changes, great for breakout strategies. Signal style: RSI gives clear numerical signals, overbought above 70, oversold below 30. Bollinger Bands are more visual, you interpret signals based on price touching or breaking through bands. Use case. RSI is ideal for spotting momentum extremes, helping traders identify overbought or oversold conditions. Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, are best for revealing volatility shifts and highlighting potential breakout zones. False signals: RSI can give early signals, sometimes too early in trending markets. Bollinger Bands may look reactive, but they avoid premature entries when used with confirmation. Reaction speed. RSI reacts very quickly to price changes, making it highly sensitive and responsive. Bollinger Bands, however, adapt based on market volatility, offering a more balanced reaction that avoids being overly laggy. So, depending on your trading focus, momentum or volatility, one may serve you better. Or better yet, combine them for a stronger edge. Chart comparison examples. RSI catches reversal, Bollinger lags. The market is in a downtrend. RSI drops below 30, enters the oversold zone and then crosses back above 30, triggering a classic RSI buy signal. Soon after, the price starts to reverse. Meanwhile, the Bollinger Bands still show price hugging the lower band, with no clear breakout or mean reversion visible yet. RSI reacted faster, by detecting the momentum shift early. Bollinger Bands lagged, waiting for a stronger price move to confirm reversal. Next example. Bollinger Band breakout, with RSI confirmation lag. During a sideways consolidation, price trades within a narrow range, compressing the Bollinger Bands, a classic sign of decreasing volatility. Suddenly, the price closes decisively above the upper band, signaling a volatility breakout and a potential bullish continuation. At the same time, the RSI hovers near the 55 level, staying neutral, neither in overbought nor oversold territory. This implies that momentum has not yet peaked, and there may still be room for the rally to extend. In this setup, the Bollinger Bands act as the primary trigger, while the RSI offers a lagging confirmation, rather than an early warning. Which one should you use? So, which one is better? RSI or Bollinger Bands? Want to catch fast momentum shifts in ranging markets? RSI is your go-to. Want to trade breakouts and volatility expansions? Bollinger Bands are the better tool. But the truth is, they don't have to compete. Use RSI for internal price strength. Use Bollinger Bands for external price behavior. Together, they offer a powerful 1-2 punch. Speed plus structure. You'll find my RSI plus Bollinger Bands combo strategy videos linked in the description. You've just learned the strengths, weaknesses, and best use cases of RSI and Bollinger Bands. Smash that like button, subscribe, drop a comment, which combo helped you the most so far. And remember, trading success comes from smart decisions, not random guesses. Let's get smarter together.